Today, we are in a new world where there are no boundaries, where products and services are accessible with just a click, and where goods and money circulate freely. This time we live in is called VUCA, a volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous time. This is a new era in which stability is the exception, change and transformation are continual. Our competitors are no longer limited to those around us. We need more cooperation, more coalition. In the acceleration period, change and digitalization are now a matter of existence and extinction. Workcube helps businesses cope with this new world with tools that control the past, manage today, and plan for tomorrow. Industry 4.0 and digitalization are new challenges. The information system is no longer limited to just keeping track of money, human resources, goods, and stocks. Your suppliers, customers, machines, robots, objects, and billions of people on social media must be the components of your information system. Workcube offers tools to adapt you to Industry 4.0 and the digital economy and increases your competitiveness. When Workcube, the world's first 100% web-based business software that runs on a browser, was designed, there were 56K dial-up connections in the world. Workcube was designed in 1999 by seeing today's needs and with the mottos of business as a whole, so the information system must be holistic, and the internet is the technology of the future. Workcube was put up for sale in 2002. Since its first day, it continues to be an innovative, high-tech, comprehensive, and always legally compliant business platform. Currently, over 5,000 businesses are using Workcube. We have success stories in nearly 40 main and sub-sectors. We have dozens of customers who have started small and have increased their turnover, number of employees, and business segment with Workcube and entered the top 500 lists. More than 300,000 people work in businesses that use Workcube. Workcube calculates their salaries. More than 500 certified Workcube experts serve to add strength to these businesses. There is a lot of confusion about digital transformation. Digital transformation is not just about technology. It is also a strategy. You need to review your business models and adapt them to the digital economy. Workcube experts have creative approaches developed to strengthen your digital muscles and enable you to manage your business better. Workcube contributes to your digitalization under 3 headings: holistic software platform, multidisciplinary experts who know the world and have a good command of their subjects, and innovative business models and methodologies. You need all 3 in one. Let's get to know Workcube a little better now. According to the world's leading technology research company IDC, a business needs an average of 36 software and 7 titles to be compatible with digitalization. It is almost impossible to purchase, run, integrate, and maintain these software separately. Workcube offers 33 of these software on a single platform. Workcube is holistic: ERP, CRM, human resources management, project management, physical asset management, content management, digital archive and internet management, online commerce and B2B management, business process management, business intelligence, and many business applications are presented in complete harmony with each other on a single platform. With the communication and collaboration tools it offers, it makes your internal and external communication, information exchange, and workflows easy and traceable. With Workcube, you can set up platforms such as an unlimited number of websites, e-commerce sites, supplier or reseller portals, recruitment and career portals, training portals, and make your customers, resellers, and suppliers an integral part of your information system. With its IoT gateway, Workcube allows you to monitor and manage all machines, devices, objects, and equipment through Workcube. Workcube is essentially a website. Business tools, internet, hundreds of business functions from sales to production, development tools, communication, process management tools, system management tools, and ready reports are presented all together. Users access the system within the limits of their authority. With its simple, user-friendly, and always innovative interface design, Workcube allows users to do business as easily as they would on a website. Workcube is a business software that runs directly on the browser. Your employees access Workcube without having to download any software or plugins on their computers, tablets, or smartphones. They do their work, communicate, and collaborate with their teammates on real-time data. A Workcube, there is no difference between working in different rooms of the same building, and everyone working at their own location, or even at the other far end of the world. Everyone is able to work together at the same time in the system 24/7. You can configure Workcube in your local network or in the cloud. Workcube is unique with its low total cost of ownership and maintenance cost. So how does it do that? It contains the functionality of many enterprise software solutions in a single library. This eliminates the need for additional software and hardware. Being a web-based, centralized and server-based application, it is very easy to maintain, manage and deploy. User unlimited licensing, cloud licensing, license as you grow, save as you shrink options reduce maintenance costs. With open source licensing, it gives you the opportunity to expand your software directly according to your needs. You can purchase Workcube with the most suitable licensing, whether in the cloud or on your own server, by purchasing or renting, and you can manage your business for years without incurring excessive costs. Workcube has a built-in process design tool where business processes are designed. In Workcube, all business objects run on BPM Process Management Engine. Which task, which screen, which role, how to save which document, who is going to be informed, who approves, who can reject, whose authority is at which level, all these are designed and managed with BPM tools. Workcube has many customization and implementation tools such as page settings, page designer, data templates, multi-layered access and security settings, and user authorization. DevTools administration tools, no-code development environment, Git and Bitbucket, and open-source code development options enable extreme customization. These capabilities strengthen the digital muscles of your business and ensure digital sustainability. As your business grows, Workcube supports your growth. With Workcube running on instance and container architecture, you can create digital business platforms with either a single user or a million users. Multiple or even thousands of servers can work together to support millions of users connecting to your system with a web browser. Your business will not be interrupted. You will achieve endless growth by clustering Workcube. Workcube supports all currencies, and each transaction is recorded, managed and reported in 3 different currencies at the same time. English, German, Turkish and Arabic languages come with standard installation. Unlimited language sets can be added. For example, in the same company, there are Workcube users who use the system in English, Italian, Turkish, Persian, Romanian, and French at the same time. With the websites, B2C or B2B portals you will build on Workcube, you can have a real-time business, communication, and cooperation with your customers, resellers, or suppliers all over the world. You can integrate into global marketplaces. Workcube welcomes you with your personalized agenda page. Products that have arrived at the urgent order point, service applications, production orders, new hires, today's meetings, corporate announcements, and more. Workcube is also an intranet. With the reservation feature of assets such as meeting rooms, vehicles, and joint agenda management, you can be organized very quickly. With powerful digital archive management, information and documents can be accessed quickly. Modules and screens such as instant message, in-house chat, forum, corporate wiki, corporate TV, user information enable business units, employees, managers and teams to be aware of each other and establish an easy and traceable communication. Self-service human resources functions also allow employees to easily track advances, leave, expense requests, payroll approvals, overtime, ECCS, targets, rewards, and warnings, thus enabling them to communicate quickly with human resources or administrative affairs departments. Workcube makes your employees independent from the office, mobilizes them, and increases their productivity. Workcube securely sends and receives data to third-party applications, machines and devices via IoT gateway, web services and integration tools. It offers complete e-government solutions. Thanks to its open structure, it can be integrated with applications such as Google, Office Live, Facebook and Twitter. It automates your banking transactions with Wadiba Workcube Digital Banking Solution, which offers data exchange with 27 banks. With the integration of payment systems, cash registers, and virtual and physical POS systems, you can manage all your electronic collection processes in the field, in the store, or online. Workcube works integrated with many local and foreign marketplaces. Currently, there are logistics and cargo companies whose systems are integrated with Workcube. In this way, you can easily manage and track your customers' shipments and deliveries. Workcube is developed with Java, CF, HTML, CSS, JS, SQL, NOSQL, and industry standard web technologies. It is offered with open source code. Workcube, which is a progressive web application, is 100% compatible with mobile devices. It works platform independent. It is an easily scalable system. In Workcube, all functions run on the process engine. It offers IoT gate, notification, email, and video conferencing support. Many technology components such as Apache, Adobe, Google, Docker, Mongo become available on a single platform. Workcube Plevn comes with WAS application security. In addition, you can enforce your institution security policies such as IP control, blacklist, Active Directory integration. The Greedy solution, developed in full compliance with the Personal Data Protection Law KVKK and the GDPR Acquis implemented in the European Union, offers a complete solution in data acquisition, use and storage processes. Functions such as data inventory and design of processes, data classification, masking, encryption features, and data processing permission management in accordance with these policies and processes provide great convenience in ensuring your data security both locally and internationally. Workcube processes do not approach business like classical ERP solutions that start from the order and end on the invoice. It offers a wide range of business functions from idea pools to after-sales services. In Workcube, data is singular and enters through a door and flows throughout your organization. Your employees, customers, suppliers, channels, and employee candidates work on the same data. Data loss and duplication are avoided. Integrated and connected data turns into smart reports that enable you to make the right decisions. Workcube is issued with a digital transformation model developed by utilizing universal experiences. Workcube experts start projects by measuring the level of digital maturity, which is the first step of digitalization. Digital economy awareness seminars are given. The strategic framework of your business is created using new business models and canvases. A digital transformation project is designed specifically for your business. Your server, hardware, and network infrastructure are consolidated. The Internet is available for your employees to participate in the change process from day one. Finance, human resources, customer, supplier, and physical assets of your business are classified. Your products and services are subjected to digital enrichment. Principles such as management with targets and fiscal discipline under the budget are established. Then, all operations from the R&D process to after-sales services are made operational. Machines, devices, or sensors are connected to the system. It is ensured that your workforce is mobilized all over the world. Digital customer touchpoints are created such as websites, social media, B2B, B2C, marketplaces, and call centers. Your channels and suppliers become part of your business. In this way, your business and ecosystem become traceable, controllable, and planable. Among Workcube's customers, there are companies of all sizes and categories, from public institutions to non-governmental organizations, from startups to holdings. Our first customer, who started working with Workcube in 2003, still continues to use Workcube, which is 100% owned by a global brand. We have always contributed to the growth and globalization processes of businesses using Workcube. Many thanks to our customers who, as SMEs, started to manage their business with Workcube, later became a holding company, created market value, received investments, expanded up to new markets, and continue to use Workcube. Their success is our success. It is very difficult to get enterprise software. It's like having brain surgery. We know this very well. For this reason, it is our top priority to help you manage this process correctly. When we meet you, we listen to your problems, needs, and expectations. We explain the benefits that our product and services will offer you. In the second phase, we make detailed assessments to understand your processes, challenges, and goals. In the third stage, we make a special demo and workshop for you in light of the information we have obtained with the assessment. In the fourth stage, we present our proposal, which includes information such as the scope of your project, team, budget, and draft project plan. It is important for us to explain our offer to you in a meeting and to answer your possible questions, because we want you not to have any unclear points in your mind. In the fifth stage, we aim to conclude the process with an agreement by completing the negotiations on the proposal and plan. It is our greatest desire to see you among our customers by completing this process within 2 to 6 weeks. Focusing only on the initial cost of your purchase may mislead you. When evaluating the offers presented to you, calculating the 10-year maintenance cost as much as the initial investment cost will enable you to make the right decision. Although Workcube has superior technology and instrumentality compared to its competitors, it is a platform with a very low maintenance cost. Digitalization is a process. In the dynamic world, softwares cannot remain stable. You have to constantly improve your system. If you wish, Workcube can help you establish a digital transformation office in your institution and increase your digital competence level. If you want, you can meet your needs by getting service from Workcube experts. Workdesk or help desk services are always a click away from you. Workcube customer rights and audit experts are ready to help you. The consultants with whom you discuss your business ideas and the developers who will expand your system work for your success. Time to watch this video. This is actually an indicator of how much you care about digitalization. We work tirelessly to make you more efficient, innovative, and competitive. If you need a companion to strengthen your digital muscles in this challenging competitive world, we, as Workcube, are ready.